Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove live captions to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Then we scroll down and in here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Next, scroll down and then tap on Live Captions. Tap on that to select the item. When it is selected, it will be added to the menu. So here, if I open up my Accessibility Shortcuts menu by triple click on the side button, and in here we have Live Captions as an option. If I deselect it, and now I triple click on the side button to open up the menu, and here the live captions menu item has been removed. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.